All human cells have got few things in common. There lies the cell membrane separating the cell from the outer environment. The other is gelatinous substance, the cytoplasm. Then comes the DNA inside the nucleus, which is a control center. We have got two broad varieties of the cell. One is eukaryotic cell. This cell has got membrane-bound organelles and the central nucleus. Now we see that it is a very specialized cell present in the mammals and the human body. Now there lies the prokaryotic cell. This cell has got genetic material, of course, but no nucleus and no membrane-bound organelles. And these cells are unicellular. An example we can quote is the bacteria. What are organelles? Organelles means little organ. And when we move into the deep part of the cell, we see that there lies so many organelles. The mitochondria, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum. You see the nucleus and nuclear pore. When we enter, we see the DNA, various strands-like structure. They have got tangled chromatin inside the nuclear membrane. And whenever the nucleus is showing the cell, of course, the division, we see condensed chromosome in a letter X shape. Then comes the nucleolus in the center or side of the nucleus. It produces ribosomes which are supposed to synthesize protein. They are exiting through nuclear pore and floating in the gelatinous cytoplasm along with the other organelles. Now they can come near to the rough endoplasmic reticulum and get attached over them. See the cytoplasm, the rough endoplasmic reticulum along with the attached ribosome, and then you see the finer, smooth endoplasmic reticulum without ribosomes. Then you see the endoplasmic reticulum, and they are like a floating proteinic nature bodies. They are supposed to be forming a vesicle and detaching from its surface and now moving towards the Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus, sometimes called as Golgi body, and they are moving inside, and here they are assembling into a condensed crumpled shape or that particular shape ready to do the functions of the cells. And here other molecules or substances are attached, for example lipid or carbohydrates, and they are also some other, you would say, organelles in the previously studied topics of your classes, and they are called as vacuoles. And in human body cell we have got specialized structure, the lysosomes. What are they? They are garbage collecting centers, and all the process of wear and tear, the worn out cells are being eaten up or phagocytosed by them. Now you see the mitochondria, the energy formation center, and what you see about them in the process of cellular respiration, they form billions, trillions of molecules, the ATP molecules, and now the cell is ready to do a million of activities. Now cell structure is maintained by a cytoskeleton from inside like a pillar. They've got microtubules, the thread-like structure, and of course microtubules, the hollow tubular organ. And you see in your previous classes that the other structures, if you recall, the plant cells, they do have something in special called as chloroplast and giving the green color of it. So just to recall, having chlorophyll in it. Now what we see that it is having cell wall and cell membrane both, but in human body cell we have got the cell membrane. Now see what other unique structures you expect at the different organs. In the respiratory system, the epithelial lining have got a floating and moving structure on the apex of the cell called cilia, and when we cough we can remove the debris or particles outside our body. We see the bacteria has got another specialized structure as a tail called flagella, and it is able to move now. And in human body we see spermatozoa having tail like flagella. Now I repeat, the eukaryotic cells do have nucleus and membrane enclosed organelles, and the prokaryotic cells don't have nucleus or membrane enclosed organelles. All cells have cell membrane, cytoplasm and genetic material. Thank you.